This episode is for you if you've ever thought, I'll be more confident once fill in the blank. Once I lose the weight, once I land the job, once I hit the next milestone, whatever your blank is, this episode is your permission slip to stop waiting for confidence and embody confidence immediately. Hey there, welcome back to the Lucy Liu Show, the podcast where we cut through the noise and give you real, actionable strategies to step into your most confident and joyful self. I'm Lucy Liu, some call me LL, your host, life coach, and fellow champion for women who are ready to stop playing small and start showing up boldly without having to be loud. Today, we're tackling a big myth that's holding way too many women back. The belief that you have to wait for confidence. Nope, not anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how to stop waiting and start cultivating it right now in your actions, in your choices, and in your mindset. I'll be more confident when blah, blah, blah. Sounds familiar? That sneaky little phrase convince us that confidence is a price we'll earn once we've achieved something. But here's the truth. Confidence is not the result of success. It is the foundation for everything you want in life. Think about it. You didn't wait until you were an expert to ride a bike. You just wobbled and fell until you figured it out. You didn't wait until you learned the job, learned how to do things. You just did it and learned along the way. You didn't wait until you learned how to drive. You just step in the car and step on the gas pedal. Confidence works the same way. It's not a destination. It's a muscle you build through consistent action. Confidence is cultivated on purpose, not born with or not gifted. So how do you cultivate it? You create micro moments of confidence every day. Here's what I mean. Instead of waiting for huge life-changing wins to feel confident, you create small wins, and these small wins add up to build more momentum for your confidence. Even little things like wearing a bold lipstick or outfit instead of saying saving it for later. These small wins to a lot of confidence, right? Are you scared to post on social media? No overthinking. Just hit that post button. These small moments rewire your brain. With each action, you're teaching yourself. I am capable. I am bold. I show up. And the beauty of it, these small micro confidence boosters create a compounding effect. The more you show up, the more you keep promises to yourself, the more natural it becomes. These are small intentional practices that can strengthen your confidence muscle. We eat food 3 times a day to fuel our body. What are you doing 3 times a day to fuel your mind and confidence? Think about it. Are you feeding your mind? Are you feeding your confidence? Well, here are 3 simple ones you can start with today. Number 1 is do power poses. Poses like Superwoman, ta-da! Stand tall, feet grounded, hands on hips, or stand tall, feet grounded, hands on hips, or hand in the air. These are all power poses that will help you gain confidence whenever you need to. Before a meeting, hit the restroom and do some power poses. Breathe deeply and remind yourself, I can handle this. Try breathworks. It's a modality of deep breathing that helps you stay calm and gives you confidence. These little habits literally give you that confidence boost because it creates confidence chemistry. Create a daily I did it list or done list, or you can call it the daily wins list. Each night, Write down 2 to 3 things you accomplished, or even just one helps. They don't have to be big. They could be as small as, I gained 1 follower today. I hit that email send button when I was afraid. This rewires your brain to focus on what's working and how amazing you are, not what you are lacking. The third tip is to try the 5-second rule by Mel Robbins. When fear creeps in, give yourself 5 seconds of courage. Count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. When your timer is up, hit that send button. Make that call. Say yes. Just do it. Launch yourself like a rocket. Confidence is built on these small bursts of bravery and courage. It's not an overnight transformation. So keep on practicing your confidence muscle with these small daily habits. So here's your challenge. Stop waiting for confidence and start cultivating it. You don't need to be perfectly ready. You just need to be willing to take the next bold step. No matter how big of a bold move you're looking to make, it all starts with that first step. Every time you show up, even when it's uncomfortable, even when it's messy, you're building unshakable confidence step by step. And remember that confidence is not the reward. It is your foundation. It is your practice. It is your decision. It's your choice. So if this episode gave you the push you needed, share it with a friend who also needs a little nudge. And if you're ready for more confidence strategies for the unstoppable you, hit subscribe so you never miss an episode. Until next week, go be boldly beautiful you that you already are. You are remarkable. Always remember that. Want to dive deeper into cultivating confidence? Go on Amazon and search for Confident and Epic. It is my book with 21 chapters, 21 decisions I made that help me live my most beautiful life right now. And I want that type of life for you. What is one action you will take today to start showing up boldly right now? Let me know.